Back in 2018, me and my girlfriend left Canada to live in the Philippines full time. We were so fascinated with the amazing food and culture that came with it. Of course, there were some dishes I wasn't too excited about trying, but more importantly was the hospitality and great people we met along the way. On our channel, you can expect to see a variety of content from must-try local food to beautiful destinations we feel are a must-see. Of course, we will share with you our ups and downs of our life here in the Philippines. Thanks for watching, guys, and we hope you enjoy this video. Peace. This place is right near my house. We're in the province of Bohol. I'm looking for fertilizer because I'm going to be planting some chili and some other herbs. And yeah, I heard they have great chicken manure here. So I'm on my way to check it out. And they also got their own chicken coop, their chicken farm. So you can buy like fresh chicken and fresh eggs from this family. So we're gonna go check it out, guys. It's going to be a bumpy ride, but yeah, bear with me, guys. We'll be there soon. Ciao. Alright, guys, we are here. Nice little spot. The dogs don't know me, so we're gonna go check out. Whew. That's the house up here, guys. Nice little area. But we'll see if she's got the fertilizer for us. Whew. Okay, the dogs don't know me. Hello po. Masta. Sorry to bother you on your lunch. I'm so sorry. Is your husband here? Okay, we're off to the...
You're from Canada, right?
Yes, from Canada. Yes. I remember you from years ago. Or I remember Maricel.
Since when you came here?
Since 2014 was my first time here.
Okay.
But we had built the house in 2013.
It was just a visit, or?
Yeah, at first it was to visit, and then I decided to build a small Filipino style house down there up top.
Okay.
And yeah, I've been coming here ever since. They've always told me about your eggs, but I've never actually came to check it out. I bought my eggs actually a couple of times, guys, from him. And sir, unsa imong nagalan?
Eric.
Jerry.
Eric.
Airy.
Yeah.
Ah, that's what they... Airy. Yeah, I bought my eggs a few times from him, and they're so fresh. They're so good. When did you build this coop?
2018 or 19?
Oh, okay. 2018, 2019. Okay.
Yeah, before the pandemic started.
Okay, right before.
Yeah.
I
think it ran for, I think, 2 years already before the pandemic.
Okay. It was always this big, or did you built a certain part first and then...
part first. This was the first one.
Okay.
Then the second.
Okay.
The third and the fourth. But these two owned by my brother-in-law.
Okay, should I seal this back, eh?
It's okay.
It's
Keep
okay?
it open.
Okay. Mmm. Oh, wow. Very nice setup here. This is bamboo?
No.
No.
PVC.
Oh, okay,
PVC
okay,
pipe.
because bamboo will rot, eh? It's not.
Yes.
Oh,
PVC
wow.
pipe. We just cut it half. And
Hello, guys. Nice. Look at all the eggs. It goes automatically down
Yeah.
when they hatch?
Yeah.
Okay.
It will roll down because it is limited. a little
Okay.
limited.
This is just from today, the eggs?
Yeah.
Oh my
Every day
goodness.
we have this.
Wow, guys, check out all those eggs. Very cool. Hey, you. You're feeding a lot of people. That's good. Wow, very nice. So how many chickens about in here? Maybe.
In this house, 220 plus.
Wow, okay. And do they produce eggs every day, each chicken? Will
Yeah.
they will produce every day?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's not 100% actually. If
Oh.
you have 100 heads chickens, the eggs will be 80 or
Okay.
290,
Okay. I see. Okay, they have their water up top
Yeah.
and then their food at the bottom. That's cool. Very nice. Yeah, so this is the PVC pipe cut in half.
Yeah.
And then this is rest is bamboo here. And then collects the eggs. How did the eggs? Oh, okay, it's on a slant like that.
Plant, yeah.
Ah, so the eggs just fall down.
They just roll down.
Okay. Okay, very interesting. And then the other ones are the
The
same
same.
as this.
Set up.
Okay, so how many heads do you have total?
It's more than 400.
Wow. Okay, more than 400 chickens, guys.
Mm.
Awesome. So you have, obviously you don't buy eggs. You have free eggs.
For sure.
Are you sick of eggs? Is it too much sometimes, or what?
I'm getting started.
What can you do with eggs here in the Philippines? Like if you have too many eggs, you can do that dessert.
It's leche plan.
Leche flan.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Leche
you can
flan.
do that.
Yes.
That's cool. Very interesting. So also for the fertilizer that I wanted to buy from you, so it falls down to the bottom here,
Yeah.
and then it mixes and you can collect it at the bottom.
Yeah. From time to time we mix it,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah, after.
certain time it will dry. I will just move somewhere.
Okay.
It will dry, and then that will be the fertilizer.
Okay. I want to go see that. I want to show the. So the good fertilizer, guys, that I'm picking up from him. It's great for like herbs, chili, all sorts. So all the chicken poo falls down here. There. And he's got a mound there. So he collects it, puts it into the mound, and it composts, and it's great fertilizer. It's actually even better than cow manure or anything like that. Chicken manure has more nutrients in it. Very cool. Yeah, I see your other farms here. Can I just walk here? We don't have to go inside. I will just.
Okay. You want to see? It's the first house.
Ah,
The first house.
okay.
Little bit smaller.
This was the first one you guys built
Yes,
here.
yes.
Okay, very nice. It's cool with the little pathway like that, bamboo. Why does everything have to have a net? Is it for?
Initially,
To
just for protection with native chickens. But
Okay.
now it's okay. Like initially, we tried to keep away these native chickens.
Okay. Why they will come in here and?
Yeah, come inside, and we think that they will give some what we call this.
Like a disease?
Disease,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
But-
Okay.
But it's
Yeah.
not the ones.
Yeah, yeah.
We keep them.
Okay. Yeah. And I guess cats and. Do you ever have problems with that? Like cats or the. You know that civet cat?
No.
They don't come in here? Okay, that's good. Maybe there are too many of them. They don't want to. They're scared. So are these also the broiler ones? You were saying about you also sell the chicken meats, like you can buy a full chicken, the
Not
broiler
here,
chicken.
there.
Okay, this is different.
This is different.
These are only for eggs,
egg.
but these aren't the chickens you eat.
No.
No. Like I mean, you could, but they're not the ones that you
But
sell.
after 2 years, some chickens started to stop laying eggs.
Okay, really? 2 years?
Yeah, so we start selling them also for meat.
Okay, I
Call
see.
it culling.
Culling.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
Are they
stop-
are they cheaper than the regular?
cheaper?
Chicken? Yeah. Okay.
Cheaper.
Okay. So how do you get get more chickens here? Do you have to buy them, or do you use the incubator for the?
We buy them.
You buy them again.
Yeah.
Okay. So every 2 years, buy them. Are they all the same age? These ones here?
Yes, same.
Okay. So it's easy to change. You just
Change.
one shot.
And that is, I think, younger than this.
Those are younger over there. Okay. Nice.
Because the first batch was already,
Okay.
finished.
Okay. For the people out there that want to know, how much can you get? Like, do you get them as a baby size, or are they ready to lay eggs? Like when you buy them new again, do you have to? Are they
Actually,
babies?
there are two options. You can get a baby one, or you buy ready to lay.
Okay.
Normally, we buy ready to lay.
Okay, and that's obviously more expensive. For that one.
Nowadays, I think it's around 450 to 500.
Wow,
each.
per.
Yeah, per head.
Wow, guys. Okay, so between $10 to $13 Canadian for per each chicken that's ready to lay. Wow, okay. And you're in a beautiful area here too. All trees around, nice and sunny. Yep, very cool area. So this is your business area. This is your business here, right? Yeah. This is your full-time work. You make a good enough income here.
Yes.
Yeah. And we saw your big house before. I wanted to ask you about that because the road coming here is very hard. Like, how did you guys get all the material here for your, like, even for this stuff? How did you get all the?
Before by hand.
Really, from the corner there.
From there, yeah.
Wow.
There is Carabao and some carrier.
Yes.
They used that before.
Okay.
Put the things
Yeah.
on the carrier, and then
And the Carabao would pull it.
yeah.
Wow, guys, there we go. So Erie was just telling me something interesting. I thought you needed a rooster to get the hen pregnant to lay the egg, but these hens do not need roosters, you told me.
Yes.
They lay eggs no matter what.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because of the feed.
Because of the feed. Okay. And then you said these cannot be hatched. These will never hatch into a chicken or nothing because there wasn't rooster. So it's not a fertilized egg.
Not fertilized.
Okay, it feels a lot better when I'm eating it. That it's not a fertilized egg. Are all the eggs you buy non-fertilized eggs, or you can still eat a fertilized, like if
We can still
You can still eat it,
like that native.
yeah, the native egg, the small ones.
Yeah.
You can.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Still edible. It's
Okay,
Still
that's
okay to
why.
eat.
Okay. All right, look at this. That was a good little time seeing his chickens. Really interesting. I didn't know that you didn't need a rooster to get eggs. I thought for sure you needed a rooster. There we go. So if you're in Canada and you want to have an egg farm, even just for yourself, but you're like, I don't want to deal with roosters, well, you don't need a rooster. He's gonna show me actually now the broiler chickens. Erie, you said broiler chickens are the ones for eating, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the broiler chickens for meat. And this is the house, guys, we were talking about. 2-story or 3-story? 2-story. And yeah, he got back 10 years ago when they were building it. if you saw the path that I came in on, they had to use water buffalo or carabao to bring the material in because you can't get a car back here, and even a motorcycle is difficult. Wow, look at his view, guys. That's the front of his house here. He's got papaya trees. What's that one called again? That bougainvillea? Bougainvillea. Those are nice.
And this is, you know, dates.
Yeah?
Yeah, the
Like from the Middle East?
Middle East.
Yeah?
This one. These two.
Oh, those are dates.
Dates, yeah, dates.
Have you ever harvested? Do they work here or?
No, we got the seeds from, you know, from the
Oh, from the actual fruits. From
the
seed.
actual fruit.
Okay, and it actually grew.
Yeah.
Nice. They should grow because the temperature here is, especially in the dry season, it's like the Middle East. Wow, big papaya tree there. Nice. Okay. Very cool.
Chili.
Oh. Oh, that's the chicken.
Chili.
Oh, chili. Oh yeah, guys, there you go.
Native.
There you go. That's what I'm using my fertilizer for. Very nice.
And did you notice the string beans?
You have also string bean here.
Yes.
Oh wow, nice. Oh, yeah, the sitaw.
Sitaw.
Nice. There you go. Great. Wow, look at that, guys. So cool. So nice. This is that vegetable. It's like a green bean, but it's their native version. They call it sitaw, and obviously they're a lot longer. They do well in the heat. And it's a vine, so this isn't the actual tree. It just uses the tree to climb. There you go. And Erie was telling me that he keeps the broiler chickens up a second floor of his house here to keep them safe and also easy access to them. Easy access. Okay. I like the steps. Very nice.
Small for you or?
No, it's good.
It's very messy.
Ah, that's okay. You have an extra room, so why not?
Yeah.
So those are very young. Those are very young ones on the left side.
Yeah, this is.
And then those are the older ones.
Ready to
Ready to eat.
Yeah, to become meat.
Okay. Very cool. Yeah, these are, I find, a lot nicer than especially the chickens at the market. These look good, and those are called the broiler chickens. There you go. Those are the chicks. Well, not chicks. These are. How old are these ones? About maybe 45 days?
No. I think it's 15 days. Or
15?
Yeah.
Wow.
These are only, I think, 35 days.
35?
Yeah.
Jeez.
We don't reach 45 days actually.
Really, eh?
We call it 45 days.
Yeah, but it doesn't.
But if we wait for that, it will become, I think, almost 2 kilograms.
Okay.
And then it's not easy to sell.
Yeah. The meat is different, right?
Yeah, little harder. But
Yeah.
no, it's not actually the meat, the price.
Oh, the price.
Because if it's 2 kilograms, not everybody can easily,
Yeah.
how to say, can afford it.
Yeah. Okay.
So if it is 1 kilogram,
Yeah, because these ones are about one. What's the size of these ones? About 1 kilo? Maybe 1 kilo, eh?
take two. These two.
Some
I
are
think,
two?
Yeah, around 2 kilograms. 1 This.
Very cool. Good stuff, Erie. There we go. Why not use this room for the broiler chickens?
This is just for temporary.
Oh yeah.
Initially, if we will have more broilers, then
Yeah.
we will build the house.
Build outside. So that's it, guys. So there's a store not too far from from his house going down. It's like the
He's our main customer.
yeah, the main customer for him for his broiler chickens upstairs. Yeah, it's like one of the bigger stores in the area here in our barangay in Badiang. How about the eggs? Who's your do the eggs actually leave the barangay, or do they just sell to the people all
Leave
here?
the barangay also.
They leave the
But
barangay.
Mostly barangay, Merlina and some other stores.
Yeah.
And in the town, you know Gale?
Yeah.
So we
Okay, you also supply there.
Gale. Yeah.
Okay. Whew. So what's your plan for today, Erie? You're gonna do you have to take care of anything at the farm, or is
Yeah,
it- yeah. I know it's Sunday, it's family day. It's supposed to be family day, so
If you have business like this,
yeah, there's no family day all the time. Yeah.
what I mean, your routine is always there.
Yeah. No, it's true.
What I mean, feeding the chickens,
Yes.
harvest the eggs,
Yeah.
weigh the eggs, because we have to weigh it to size
Oh,
the eggs.
okay. They are different sizes. That's why I
Yes.
wasn't sure.
Yeah, that's why you bought
The extra
from us
large.
extra large.
Yeah. Always get the
So,
extra large.
Different sizes, so we have to weigh it.
Okay.
And then after that, deliver to our customer.
Yeah. Okay, so Erie was just telling me about some requirements. So if you do have the egg farm like he has in the back, the hens, what were the requirements again? You told me about being a certain distance. So,
If it is a big one, I think 500 heads and above.
okay,
I'm not sure exactly, but it's around 500 meters from the main road.
from the main roads.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to be 500 meters in any direction. And then how about from house to house? Like, can you be like if your neighbor's
Yes.
house or it's
I think 50 or 100.
okay, 50, 100 meters
But
again.
It depends mainly the number of heads.
Okay.
There is certain number of heads
Okay.
that with this distance.
Okay, because you're doing it for a business, but let's say if you were doing it only for you, maybe you have only one chicken thing.
Then
If it's just one, it's okay.
it's okay.
You can do it even near your house.
Yes.
Okay, but since it's big like that, you have to. And then the water supply, you also said it has to be away from like,
away from
the stream
Yeah,
or
the
anything like
stream.
that. Yeah, it makes sense. It's good though they have those rules here. Some people might think there's no rules, but there are rules
you
for
cannot
having
just
the
build it
Yeah,
anywhere.
Okay, there you go. Okay, Erie, thanks again for everything. Erie from it'd still be a song here. Peroxide, it's still oh no, yeah, it's
This
still
is still
peroxide.
Biasang, yeah. It
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
peroxide.
Yeah, we're just right at the border. Good stuff,
Part
guys.
of peroxide.
Yeah. If you guys want any more information, just shoot me a comment. I could get some info from
Yeah.
Erie here. He's been doing it for many years. It's working for him. Good business for a foreigner, even Filipino here. So, all right, that's it, guys. For Pair of Souls, thanks for watching again. Erie, ciao.